Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda CRV fog light bulb. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new H11 fog light bulbs. It's always a good idea to work in a well-lit space and wear gloves to protect your hands during the process. Proper preparation makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get access to the fog light. Begin by turning your steering wheel all the way to the side where you'll be working. This gives you better clearance. Next, locate and remove 2 plastic clips and one 10mm bolt from the fender liner. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will reveal the fog light assembly, making it accessible for replacement. With the fog light assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Now, take your new H11 bulb, connect the electrical connector, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. You're almost done. Gently push the fender liner back into its original position, ensuring it sits correctly. Reinstall the 2 plastic clips and the 10mm bolt you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it illuminates properly. This simple check ensures your new bulb is working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.